Emergencies and crises, whether they come in the form of natural disasters, sudden societal unrest, or long-term power outages, can catch anyone off guard. The difference between panic and survival often comes down to preparation and knowledge. In this video, I'm going to share essential survival strategies to help you navigate unpredictable situations. You'll learn how to stay ahead of potential dangers, build a solid survival plan, and take control in an emergency. These are skills that anyone can master, so let's dive right in. First, stay alert and identify warning signs. Pay attention to your surroundings and keep up with reliable news sources. Recognizing early signs of danger, like extreme weather or unrest, can buy you precious time to act. Next, build a strong survival mindset. Panic clouds judgment. Train yourself to stay calm under pressure by rehearsing emergency scenarios and practicing mindfulness techniques to manage stress. Focus on what you can control and act decisively. A critical part of survival is having a reliable emergency kit. Pack water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, and tools like a flashlight, multi-tool, and fire starting kit. Don't forget communication devices like a hand crank radio and a power bank for your phone. Equally important is planning your escape routes. Identify multiple ways to leave your home, neighborhood, or city and know where you'll go. Practice these routes with your family so everyone knows what to do under pressure. If staying put is necessary, secure your home. Reinforce doors and windows, stockpile essential supplies, and set up alternative power sources like a generator or solar panels. Building a community plan with neighbors can also be a lifesaver. Lastly, invest in learning basic survival skills. Learn to purify water, start fires, navigate without GPS, and identify safe plants and water sources. These skills build confidence and could save your life. To recap, survival is all about preparation and adaptability. Stay vigilant, prepare a comprehensive kit, plan your routes, and practice essential skills. Take action today. Build your emergency kit, research routes, and prepare for the unexpected. Survival isn't about luck, it's about readiness. Stay safe, stay prepared, and take control of your future.